Can a teaspoon or tablespoon be used to measure 1 gram?
Hello, curious minds. Today we're going to dive into the world of cooking measurements. One question that often arises is, can a teaspoon or tablespoon be used to measure 1 gram? Well, you've come to the right place to find the answer. Let's get started.
What is a gram?
First, let's clarify what a gram is. A gram is a metric unit of mass, often used to measure small amounts of solids and liquids. It's incredibly precise and widely used in scientific experiments and culinary arts worldwide.
Spoons is a measure.
Now, what about the spoons? Teaspoons and tablespoons are units of volume. A teaspoon typically measures 5 milliliters, while a tablespoon measures around 15 milliliters. They're commonly used in cooking to measure small amounts of ingredients.
Can you measure a gram with a spoon?
Here's the million-dollar question. Can you use a teaspoon or tablespoon to measure 1 gram? The answer is, it depends on what you're measuring. Since grams are a measure of mass and teaspoons, tablespoons are measures of volume, the conversion between the two isn't straightforward. The density of the substance you're measuring plays a crucial role here. For instance, 1 gram of water is approximately equivalent to 1 milliliter, or 0.2 teaspoons, but 1 gram of flour, a much less dense substance, would take up more volume. So, unless you're dealing with water or a substance with a similar density, using a teaspoon or tablespoon to accurately measure 1 gram would be quite challenging without additional information about the substance's density.
The importance of proper measurement.
Accurate measurements can make or break your cooking experience. When a recipe calls for grams, it's typically because precision is important in that recipe. If you do not have a scale, try to use conversions provided by the recipe, or consider investing in a kitchen scale. It can ensure accuracy and ultimately improve your cooking results. So, there you have it. While you can't universally use a teaspoon or tablespoon to measure 1 gram of any substance, it's a handy measure for certain items, particularly in cooking. Remember, the key to great cooking is the right balance of ingredients, and accurate measurement is a vital part of that. Happy cooking! We hope this video has helped to clear up some of the confusion surrounding measurements. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep asking great questions.